Few things in daily life are as time sensitive as the schedule surrounding school pickup and drop off. Parents know this all too well, but you know who understands it better than anyone? The hundreds of thousands of individuals whose jobs rely on getting children from home to campus and back without hiccups. Lo and behold, we didn't find a single school bus driver who stood up in defense of road diets. Quite the opposite, in fact. Listen to the absolute masterclass delivered to us by a woman who transports students near the Pennsylvania border with Maryland.
It encroaches too much on the travel lanes themselves. Any of the traffic calming it just makes it harder to maneuver with larger vehicles. They're looking at life from the Prius that they drive. They don't look at life from the bigger vehicles that need the space to maneuver. As the bus driver, I want to keep a cushion around me. I just feel like the ones that have got this opinion about the environment in our space and our world, by God, they're gonna push it through.
1 month earlier, we spoke with a man who has handled Virginia's school routes for the past 3 years. In his words,
I know how it used to be. Drive straight. Now the road is difficult to drive. I think maybe they are stressing on the driver not to come into the city area, pushing to the subway or the bus. Do whatever you do, but just don't bring your car to the city.
as you can see, both of these professionals independently arrived at a conclusion that some sort of hidden agenda was underway in their respective regions. We couldn't agree more. It's bad enough for those of us running optional errands, but when it affects our kids' education and possible safety, it becomes a whole separate matter entirely.